In this video, we will talk about how to change DNS IP address in Windows 10. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. Select Network and Internet. Scroll it down, select Change Adapter Options. Right-click your active network, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Select Properties. Now click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Here, you can use Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. I have mentioned both of them in the description. From there you can add in here, if you are not confirmed. For now, I am using Cloudflare. Simply click in there and use right arrow key and tab key. Afterwards, click OK. And that's how you can change DNS IP address in Windows 10. See you in the next video.